Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for everyone: 21 passive income ideas that will make amazing. Are you looking to make extra cash without working around the clock? Passive income might be your answer. Whether you're saving for a vacation or just want to boost your bank account, we've got 21 easy ideas that can help you earn money while you sleep. From investing in stocks to renting out your stuff, these tips are perfect for anyone looking to bring in more money with less effort. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and dive into some ways to start making passive income today. 1. Real estate investment. Real estate investment is a great way to earn money without much effort. You can buy and rent a property out, getting monthly rent payments. Over time, the property's value might increase, making you more money if you sell. It does need some upfront cash, but once you're set up, the income can be pretty steady. Plus, there are different investment ways, like rental homes or commercial buildings. 2. Dividend stocks. Dividends are a company's profits distributed to its shareholders. You can earn passive income through regular dividend payments by investing in dividend stocks. Do some research and find companies with a good track record of paying dividends, and you could be making money while you're sipping pina coladas on the beach. But make sure to do your research because investing comes with risks. 3. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts are a super easy way to earn some extra cash. Unlike regular savings accounts, they offer higher interest rates, so your money grows faster. All you need to do is deposit your money and let it sit there. The bank does the rest. It's a safe option with no effort required. You can access your money anytime, making it a flexible and hassle-free way to earn passive income. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending lets you lend your money to others and earn interest. You use an online platform to find borrowers who need a loan. Once they pay it back with interest, you make money. It requires some research to choose trustworthy borrowers, but the returns can be good. It's a simple way to put your money to work and earn passive income without fuss. 5. Rental properties. Rental properties are a fantastic way to earn passive income. You buy a property, find tenants, and collect rent every month. The rental income can cover your mortgage and even give you extra cash. Plus, the property's value might increase over time, giving you more profit if you decide to sell. While it does require some initial investment and occasional maintenance, the steady income makes it worth it. 6. Create an online course. Creating an online course allows you to share your knowledge and make money simultaneously. Once you've designed and uploaded your course, people can buy and take it whenever they want. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to get started. You can teach anything you know well, from cooking to coding. It's a great way to help others while earning a steady passive income without ongoing effort. 7. Publish an ebook. Publishing an ebook is a great way to earn passive income. Write about something you're passionate about or knowledgeable about, then upload your book to platforms like Amazon Kindle. Once it's live, people can buy and download it anytime, earning you royalties. Writing and formatting the book takes some effort up front, but once done, it can continue to earn money for you without much additional work. 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can share links on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Choose products that align with your interests and audience for better results. Once set up, the commissions will roll in whenever someone purchases. It's a simple way to make money without creating your products. 9. Sell stock photos. Selling stock photos is a great way to turn your photography hobby into passive income. Take high-quality photos and upload them to stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. People buy licenses to use your images, and you earn money each time they do. Once your photos are uploaded, they can generate income without extra effort. It's an easy and enjoyable way to make money from your creative skills. 10. Start a blog. Starting a blog is fun, as it allows you to share your passions and earn money. Write about topics you love and attract readers. As your audience grows, you can monetize your blog with ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate links. Building up your content and followers takes some time and effort, but once established, it can provide a steady stream of income. Plus, you get to connect with people who share your interests. 11. Dropshipping business. A dropshipping business lets you sell products online without keeping any inventory. You set up an online store, pick products from suppliers, and list them for sale. When someone orders, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You make money from the price difference. It's a low-risk way to start an online store since you don't need to buy stock up front. Good marketing can generate steady income. 12. Rent out your car. Renting out your car is an easy way to make extra money when you're not using it. Platforms like Turo or GetAround let you list your car for rent. People can book and use your car for short periods and you get paid. It's a simple way to turn an idle vehicle into a source of income. Just keep your car clean and in good condition to attract more renters. 13. Create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is a great way to share your interests and make money. Pick a topic you love, like cooking, gaming, or travel, and start making videos. You can earn from ads, sponsorships, and merchandise as your channel grows. Building an audience takes time, but the more views you get, the more you can earn. Plus, it's fun to connect with viewers who enjoy your content. 14. Invest in index funds. Investing in index funds is a simple way to grow your money over time. Index funds are collections of stocks that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. You buy shares and the fund's value increases as the market grows. It's a low-cost and low-maintenance investment. Your money can grow steadily without needing to pick individual stocks. Just invest and let it grow for long-term returns. 15. Sell digital products. There are many platforms like Etsy where you can sell digital products like printables, graphics, or templates. If you have a talent for graphic design or creating digital resources, this is a great way to turn it into income. You only need to make the product once and you can sell it online. So if you are passionate about a creative skill, consider selling it as a digital product. It's a low-cost and low-effort way to earn money from your hobbies. Do you like to create music in your free time? You can make money by licensing your music in commercials, films, or TV shows. You don't need to be a professional musician. As long as you have good quality recordings and unique sound, there's potential to earn from your musical talent. YouTube, podcasts, and other online media also require royalty-free music for their content, so there's a wide market for music licensing. If you think an idea can be turned into a useful or entertaining app, consider creating it yourself. With the rise of smartphones and mobile technology, apps have become a lucrative developer market. You can either create and sell your own app or work on a contract for others. It's a creative way to earn money while sharpening your programming skills. Invest in real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Investing in REITs is an easy way to earn money from real estate without buying property. REITs own and manage real estate like malls, offices, and apartments. You buy shares and they pay you dividends from the rental income. It's a low-cost and hassle-free way to invest in real estate. Your investment can grow over time, providing a steady stream of passive income. 19. Cashback rewards programs. Cashback rewards programs let you earn money back on your everyday spending. Use credit cards that offer cashback on purchases like groceries, gas, and dining out. When you buy something, a small percentage comes back to you as cash or points. Over time, these rewards add up, giving you extra money for things you already need. It's an effortless way to save money and earn passive income. 20. Rent out storage space. Renting out storage space is a simple way to earn extra money. If you have unused space, such as a garage, basement, or shed, you can rent it to people who need it. List your space on websites like Neighbor or Sparefoot and set your price. Once rented, you earn a steady income without much effort. It's a great way to use space and help someone needing storage. 21. Build a membership site. Building a membership site lets you share exclusive content with subscribers for a fee. Choose a niche you're passionate about, like fitness, cooking, or business advice, and create valuable content. Members pay a monthly or yearly fee to access it. This provides you with a regular income while offering great value to your audience. Creating and updating content takes some effort, but it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Some passive income ideas. So these are 21 ways to make passive income. Remember, the key to success is finding a method that works for you and trying to set it up. Passive income may not make you rich overnight, but with patience and consistency, it can provide a stable source of income and help you achieve financial freedom. Start exploring these ideas today and see how they can work for you. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.